Okay, so the second step is to get some command hooks. And you measure and put them up there first. And then you get your ribbon and you make sure the ribbon are the same length so that way your pole is level once you put it up there. So you get your ribbon, you tie the knot, you hang them to the command hooks, and then you insert your pole and make sure that your pole is level. So that's the second step.
Go.
Okay, so then the third step is once you have the pole in there with the ribbon like I showed you, is to hang your ornaments whichever way you want. So I am a very symmetrical person, so I have the same ornaments just balanced out. So I definitely put these two first, and then the bigger ones, and then I do the outline one. So it's kind of just however you want it. You don't have to have all the same ornaments. They don't have to be exactly matching. You can make it your own and put whatever you want on there, but you're basically just hanging ornaments from ribbon however you like onto the pole. So once you get your ornaments up, then the fourth step is going to be to put whatever kind of garland that you decide onto the pole. And I actually got these to stay up on this pole with using zip ties. So I just put the garland up there and use the zip ties. And obviously I'm standing on the table the entire time I'm doing this to make sure that it looks level with my table. And then, you know, I'm a little fancy, so then at that stage, once I get the garland the way I want, I added the jewels hanging down, and voila, I have created a chandelier for Christmas over my dining room table, just using a ornament, ribbon, jewels, and any kind of PVC pipe. You can also use like branches or whatever you can find to hold it and command tapes. And that is Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just nice.